guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another tutorial. So today I want to do something very dewy on the face but also very bold on the eye, but still autumn related. So I came up with this very bold look and I'm happy with the way it turned out. I did use different palettes to get this look, but I'm sure the colours that I use you've already got in your makeup stash anyway. And just ignore this little pink jumper. It's very cold. Well, it's getting very cold and I just want to be cozy whilst recording today, so I just put on this cute pink jumper what Jake brought me. And you know what, I've got pink eyes and it's pink jumper, so it's a lady in this video. But yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram page, and also don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Okay, so I'm going to dip into my JUVIAS palette and pick up the pink shade, and I'm just going to use like a flat brush and just literally pat this on my lid. I feel lately by getting more pigment out of shades is just by patting it onto your lid and then gradually blending it out. So yeah, this is just literally going to be going all over my lid, and then I'm going to take a fluffy brush with no extra product on. I just use this on my other eye to blend out this shade as well. So I'm just literally going to be blending out these edges so there's no more harsh lines. Then I'm going to dip into my 350 Morphe palette and use this dark cranberry orange shade, and this is going to go on the inner portion and outer third of my lid, and then I'm going to be blending it out, and then I'm also just going to be dragging in to my inner corner and the inner third of my crease as well, and then I'll just be blending that shade out again. Then going into the Huda Beauty palette, I'm going to use the shade Black Trifle, and I'm just going to start deepening up the outer corner. I don't think I've actually ever used this black shade in this palette before, but for some reason it didn't seem to like this eye. It worked perfectly fine on my other eye, but on this eye it kept going like a little bit patchy and wasn't really sticking to the areas. So on the outer corner, which you see after, it like left a weird mark, so I had to keep going backwards and forth in with this black and the pink shade just to make it blend out really nice. But I don't know what was happening, it worked fine on my other eye, it just didn't seem to like this eye that I was working on in the video. So yeah, once I've started darkening up the outer corner, I'll be taking this pink fluffy brush and blending out the edges, and then I'll also be taking that shade out of the 350 Morphe palette which we applied on our lid just to deepen up their lids a little bit more, and I'll also be applying it on top of the black so it blends out a lot more easier. Then I'm just going to be lining my eyes and creating a wing using the number 7 matte eyeliner, and then over the top of that I'm just going to be blending out that eyeliner with the black shade again. I've been loving doing this lately. I just feels like it adds a lot more definition on the outer corner when you really smoke out that eyeliner. Then for mascara today, I'm going to go in with the brand Mark from the Avon and just coat my lashes. I also went off camera and applied some Tarte lashes in the style Goddess. And for primer today, I'm using the primer from L'Oreal, which is the Infallible Primer. Then I'm going to be using the Infallible 24-Hour L'Oreal Foundation in the shade 120 Vanilla, and then I'll be blending all that out using a damp beauty blender. Then for concealer today, I'll be using the Makeup Revolution Supersize Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C6. And I'm just going to be using this as a highlighter and also just to conceal any dark circles and red bits on my face. Then to set that in place, I'll be using the Collection Sheer Loose Translucent Powder. Literally, I've been using this like in every single video and there's still like loads left. This powder like goes a really long way, but I know one of the times when I'm recording it's going to come short and I'm going to run out, so I need to head down to the drugstore and buy me some more because honestly this powder is just life-saving. It's absolutely amazing. Then removing all that baking and also setting the rest of my face, I'm going to be using the No. 7 Press Powder in the shade Medium. Then I'm going to be bronzing up my face using the bronzing pills from Avon. I forgot to show you, sorry, but I'm just using the shade Cool first just to warm up my face and bronze a little bit. Then I'm going to use some more Avon pills just in a different shade, which is called Warm Bronze, I think, something like that, but I'll leave all the shades down below. And I'm just going to contour a little bit and bronze up my face even more. Then going in with the Sonya blush in the shade Olivia. Then I'm just going to carve out my cheekbones. Then moving on to the lower lash, I'm going to be taking the dark maroon colour out of the 350 Morphe palette, and then I'll be blending that out with the pink shade from the JUVIAS palette, and then also applying the black shade from the Huda Beauty palette on the outer corner. Then I'm going to go in with the Smashbox eyeliner in the shade Black. Then for highlight today, I'm going to use the Makeup Academy highlighter in the shade Iridescent Gold. I haven't used this for such a long time and I haven't actually used it all that much, to be honest, and honestly it's such a pretty highlighter, and I'm just going to use this for my inner corner and also brow bone highlighter as well. Then I'm going to use the Maybelline Brow Mascara in the shade Medium Brows to set my brows in place. And then I'll go in with the matte lipstick from Beauty Bakerie in the shade Love Palace. And then to set my face in place and to add that dewiness, I went in with the Pixie by Petra Glow Mist. So yeah guys, this is the end result. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my Instagram page. But yeah, hopefully I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye guys!